Today we are reading about the chapter number 2. Show me, tell me. Show me, tell me. Yes, the chapter number 2 and part number 2. Our senses. See, hear,
smell, taste,
touch. To see, to hear, to smell, to taste, to touch. We have 5 senses. How many senses we have?
5.
Tell me how many senses we have? 5 senses. We see things with our eyes. We see light and colors with eyes. Okay, at the number 2, hearing. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. We touch and feel things with our hands. Good girl. Okay. Read and respond. How many senses are there?
5 senses.
5 senses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many senses are there? 5 senses. What can you do with your hand?
Touch.
What can you do with your hand? Touch. And what can you do with your nose?
Smell.
Okay. What can you do with your eyes? See. What can you do with your ear? Hear. Okay. What can you do with your tongue? Taste. Taste to anything. Point to your nose. Tell a partner what you can do with your nose. Which sense is most important to you? Tell a partner and why. Okay. On page 33, find a word that has the same and spelling as lunch. Look at the sound CH. Ch. Find rhyming words. Point to it and say it. Write down. These letters are mixed up. Which sense do they spell? Write the word. Look at here. Jumble the words. LMESL. What word? Yes. What word we make? SMELL. Smell. We can smell with our nose. The letters of the words below are mixed up. Rearrange the letters to form a word. AREH. Tell me the sense and jumble the words. HEAR. Yes. बेटे ये देखो, ये आगे पीछे करके लिखे हुए हैं, ठीक है? इनको हमने सही करके लिखना है. HEAR. Here. These are senses. So set the word with the right spellings of senses.
ये मिक्स हुए.
Yes, ये मिक्स हुए हैं, इनको सही करके लिखना है. So tell me STAET. TASTE. TOUCH. Touch. And touch. And tell me the next one. TIGHS. You can see here. TIGHS. The right word is SIGHT. Sight. To see. We can see with our eyes. Language tip: words that rhyme sound the same, like fun and run. I hear with my ear. I can see a tree. Two words are here rhyme. See, tree. I spot a bright light.
I spot a bright light.
Two words are rhyming words which are the same rhyme. Bright light. Honey is a treat. It tastes sweet. Treat, sweet. Treat, sweet. Okay. Now label the human body. Draw a picture of the human body and label it. So where is head? Touch the head. Touch the head at the picture. Touch the head. Okay, where is arm? Touch the arm. Where is leg? Okay, where are eyes? Where is nose? Where is mouth? Okay, where is face? Okay, where is chest?
Chest.
Yes, where is foot?
On stomach.
Food. Tell me food.
Stomach.
Food. This one is stomach, but I am talking about food. This one is food. And hand. Okay. Language tip: words that name things are called nouns, and these are nouns. Work with a partner. Write the words from the box below on your picture. Add the words next to the correct body part. Head, arm, leg, eyes, nose, mouth, face, chest, foot and head. Okay. Copy the words below in your notebook. Add the missing letters to complete the body parts. So here is chin. Which one word is missing? I. CHIN. Chin. Ear. 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 Neck. 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 Head.
Head.
Here. HAIR. Here. HAIR. Here. Okay. Add the words as labels to your picture. Look at the activities in the box. Which sense does each one use? Tell a partner. Stroke a pet, sniff a flower, eat an ice cream, play in the playground. Label 3 more body parts on your picture. Copy these sentences. Add 2 full stop and 2 capital letters. We see things with our eyes. We see light and color. Add label to your picture to show which body parts we use to see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Which body part is used to see? Which body part is used to see?
Hand.
No, to see.
Eyes.
Look at here. Eyes. Which sense is here?
Eyes.
Eyes to see. Okay. And which sense is here and which body part is using here?
Here.
Here with the ear. Here with the
Ear.
ear is using here. Okay. So which sense is it? Smell with nose. Good girl. And which one is here?
Taste.
Taste with
Tongue.
tongue. Taste with okay. Touch with
Hand.
touch with
Hand.
okay. Which of these activities do you like to do? Run, jump, sing, dance, skip, play football. Which activity do you like to do? If you tell me.
Dance.
What? Which? Tell me the one. Run, jump, sing, dance, play football.
Dance.
Which one you like activity?
Dance.
Dance, jump, Run, sing, play football. Okay.
Dance.
Tell our partner why you like these activities.
Because I love it.
Okay. One person says a verb, the rest of the group do the action. The speaker chooses the next person to say a verb. Tell a partner which part of your body you use to do each action. What do you think? Talk about saying healthy, talk about a question. What do you think? Tell a partner what thing a person can do to keep healthy. What things a person can do to keep healthy? Tell me.
Fruits
Hmm.
and water.
With cycling, with eating healthy food, with taking rest and sleep, and drinking of water. Okay. What things do you do to keep your body healthy? What do you
Eat
do?
fruits
Okay.
and do cycling and sleep